Want to get even more out of your Instant Pot? In today's video, we're sharing the best Instant Pot accessories that make cooking faster, easier, and more fun. Whether you're steaming veggies, baking desserts, or meal prepping, these must-have tools can upgrade your kitchen in no time. Check the product links in the description to see today's prices and learn more about each item. If you enjoy videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon kitchen finds. Now let's check out the list. Product 5 Instant Pot Accessories Kit. Ever feel your pressure cooker only does one thing? I used to wish it could do more. Steaming, baking, egg bites, even meal prep felt limited. Then I found this 73-piece Instant Pot accessory set. It includes baskets, rack, springform pan, egg mold, and more. Everything fits 5, 6, and 8-quart pressure cookers, made with food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free silicone. Strong, durable, odor-resistant, and dishwasher-safe, too. The steamer baskets keep vegetables crisp and nutrients locked in. The springform pan makes cheesecakes and cakes so easy. Egg bites, dumplings, meats, and baby food all work beautifully. The magnetic cheat sheets are super handy for quick cooking. Now, my pressure cooker handles almost every meal. It saves time, adds variety, and feels so practical. Check the link in the description to see today's price and learn more. Product 4 Instant Pot Steamer Basket. Steaming is not just about heat, it's about airflow. Many baskets trap food, causing soggy vegetables and uneven results. I recommend the Aozita Steamer Basket for Instant Pot users. Its 18/8 stainless steel mesh promotes fast, even steam circulation. The two-tier stackable design doubles your cooking efficiency instantly. Steam vegetables on top while cooking eggs or seafood below. That means less batch cooking, less waiting, and better meal prep. The silicone handle stays cooler and makes lifting easier. You get safer handling, even with hot pressure cooker contents. Raised feet keep food elevated for better drainage and steaming. It also works as a pasta strainer and vegetable rinsing basket. For busy kitchens, this is a practical, space-saving upgrade. Home cooks get cleaner texture, simpler prep, and reliable performance. Find today's best deal. Check the product link in the description. Product 3 Instant Pot Steamer Basket. Dinner prep feels easier when every tool truly helps. Steam vegetables, eggs, and seafood without the usual struggle. No more reaching deep into a hot Instant Pot. The built-in handles lift out smoothly with one hand. Even when your other hand is busy, cooking stays simple. Its 304 stainless steel body feels sturdy and dependable. Reinforced sides and rim add lasting strength and stability. Designed for most 6-quart Instant Pots and pressure cookers, it also fits many popular cookers and kitchen favorites. The red silicone handle stays comfortable and easy to grip. Steam, strain, and drain food with confidence every day. Dishwasher-safe convenience saves time after every comforting meal. Built to resist rust, wear, and everyday kitchen demands. A small basket that makes home cooking feel kinder. Bring home easier meals, warmer moments, and less hassle. Tap the link in the description to view the latest price and full details. Product 2 Instant Pot Accessories Kit. Many think pressure cookers only handle simple one-pot meals, but with the right accessories, they become true all-round kitchens. I've tested pressure cooker tools for home cooking and baking. Most problems come from using separate, low-quality, mismatched pieces. This 101-piece accessory set solves that efficiently. It includes baskets, a springform pan, egg molds, rack, tongs, mitts, plus magnetic cheat sheets, trivet mat, and dish plate clip. The design fits both 6-quart and 8-quart pressure cookers. Use the steamer basket for vegetables, meats, and seafood. Bake cheesecakes in the non-stick springform pan effortlessly. Cook 14 eggs at once with the stackable egg rack. Food, grade 304 stainless steel, keeps cleanup simple and rust-free. Silicone handles and mitts add safer, easier lifting and serving. For busy home cooks and bakers, this set saves time and money. Don't miss out. Check the product link below for today's price. Product 1 Stackable Instant Pot Inserts. Think one Instant Pot insert is enough? Not always. I'm a kitchen product reviewer focused on practical cooking upgrades. Most home cooks waste space, time, and heat efficiency. Stackable pans let you cook smarter in one pressure cycle. This stainless steel insert set is built for durability. It resists corrosion, cleans easily, and handles daily use. Designed for 6-quart and larger Instant Pot models. That means better compatibility with common pressure cookers. Use it for vegetables, proteins, grains, or desserts. Separate layers help preserve flavors and reduce overmixing. Meal preppers love making multiple portions at once. Home cooks save effort without sacrificing texture or taste. It also helps you serve directly, with less cleanup. If you own an Instant Pot, this is a smart upgrade. Check the product link in the description for the latest price.